Welcome to the channel. Here's Trader Jan. This video is about a review of the last trading day, which is the 21st of 2025. I am recording that review on the 6th of December. It's more about verifying if my way of doing the market analysis is correct, and I'm reviewing 2 weeks in a row to increase my learning curve. So I didn't do any trades on the 21st of November, so the only thing left remaining today with that review is reviewing the locations which we defined and if they actually worked out. My standard chart for the market analysis and day review is the one you already know. That's the daily chart, hourly chart, M15 chart. That is the 1500 tick chart where I do day trading, and that's the 500 tick chart where I do scalping. Now, looking at the daily chart, we we're a little bit puzzled about if the market will go down, further down here, or will go up. Obviously, they decided to go up and then a little bit down again. So overall, it was a long day, and here this area seems to be a quite interesting area. Let me put here something yellowish because the market came down, bounced off here. There was a level of support, and it's rushed through and up here. And this one is potentially resistance area. So the day after, we need to check in the market analysis for the next trading day, if we consider this one then as resistance and prepare ourselves more for downward moving market. Now looking at the hourly chart and specifically for how well our locations actually have worked, we did the analysis here on that day, and so the day started at the bottom here. Okay, it went up. It went actually to our location and to the next location. And you see here this little red bar is the area where the most, or where there was a lot of the volume traded on the day before. And you see here, so it went there, bounced off, and then went down again to our location, up again to our location, down again over there to the next location, and jumped over about 44 ticks. Went back here to that location and back and here. That must have been a very terrible day to trade unless you can read the market, I guess. I'm not there yet, so trading one of these big chunks, 200 ticks, would have been wonderful. And here it went up, and surprisingly to our location here, went down here nearly to that location again, and then went back up again to our location, to another location. And so the location definition on that day has been, I would say, pretty much on target. So not worried about the precision of that forecast we did the day before. So then no trades to review, but let us shortly have a look into the more detailed chart which we have here in the M15. So if we look at this one here, it looks a bit more choppy. Usual when you screen in, but this location here, yep, perfect hit. This one is a quite nasty area to trade. It's like 7 hours. It's in the night. It's in the Asia time, and then big moves happened when Europe started here, 2 o'clock. The timeline here is Chicago time. So, and then big moves happened again when Europe started, when the US started here again. Big moves, big moves, big moves, and then up and down again. So for tomorrow, let's see what our review gonna bring, or the market preparation for the next day. So that's been the review of the locations. No trades on the 21st of November, but location-wise, pretty happy. Nothing to complain about. That's as good as it can get, at least with my current knowledge. See you then.